Assalamu alaikum viewers. I'm going to have to share with you a very easy way of untying a very hard or stubborn knot. Like for example, you have a plastic bag or shopping bag. When you bring things from the market, from the bazaar to home, the plastic bags sometimes they have the knots on it. Like for example, this is the plastic bag, right? And these are the handles of the plastic bag, and I'm going to put the knot on it, like double knot. So it's very tough, very hard. Okay, so some people, instead of bothering of opening the knot, they use a pair of scissors or a knife to cut it and then throw the plastic bag in the rubbish bin. So if we keep throwing too many plastic bags in the rubbish bin, they are not environmentally friendly. So I'm going to have to show you how to, in a very easy way, how to open this knot, and this method can be applied to most of the hard and stubborn knots to open them or untie them. Okay, so what do you do? Like for example, you take one end of the shopper bag, one handle, and from the close to the knot, start twisting it. Keep twisting till you can't twist it anymore. Okay, so it will become like a nail. You can see it has become like a nail. So instead of don't push it from you have to push it now. So instead of pushing from here, it will not go inside. You have to hold it from very close. Okay, so you have to push it very close to the knot. Okay, so push it. When you start pushing, you'll see it is coming out from the other side. Push a little bit more. Keep pushing. It's coming out. You see, I'm pushing. You see, it's coming out now. It's coming out. All right, so now you pull it, and there you go. You have the knot untied. So this is a way you can untie a very stubborn or hard knots in most of the cases, and this plastic bag can be reused for many other purposes, and it will be very environmentally friendly. Thank you very much, and if you have liked this video, please share it, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, and put some comments in the comment box. Thank you very much.